Course settings allow you to manage course details like appearance, metadata, scheduling, and gradebook settings. To change course settings, go into the editor and choose Tools and Course Settings. Here you can add a thumbnail to your course. The recommended size is 400 by 400. Click Upload Image by clicking the plus, and then choose the image. Once you choose the image, click Upload. You can also change the color of this bottom banner here. If you know the color hex code, you can add it, or you can click on the color here and move to a different color, and as you move you can see that it will show you what it will look like. And then when you're ready, you can click OK. You can check the title, the term, start and end date. You can make it a continuous course, which means there will be no start and end date, and all of the activities will be auto-populated and assigned based on an algorithm. You can use agendas for this course, and you can add a hero image. Let's look at an example. In this example, the hero image displays behind the course dashboard as you see here. In the gradebook options, you can choose the minimum passing score, the grade scale that you want to use, and how you want the course grade to be viewed. Grading categories lists existing grading categories for editing and allows you to create new categories. Please view the grading categories video for more information. I would also then view grading periods. The grading periods allow you to enable, create, define individual grading periods within the course. There are two approaches to using the grading periods. Your system admin can set up domain-level grading periods for your course to align to. To do this, you would click Inherit Activity Grading Periods from Topmost folder. Or you are able to enable, create, define, and manage your own grading periods from within your course. You can choose the ones by default. You can change the name by clicking on them and also change the weight. You could remove it if you choose to. I could also add a grading period by clicking Add here and then giving it the weight. The Objective Mastery shows the minimum Objective Mastery threshold in percents, and then you could also choose the grading scale that you want to use for mastery. Formative assessments are the minimum number of questions that need to be aligned with an objective for a student to show mastery. And remediation is the minimum number of questions that need to be aligned with an objective in order for Buzz to assess mastery. The grading scales create pass-fail, plus-minus, straight letter grade, or other grading scales to use for course and objective scoring. You can click on a grading scale to view more, and you can choose the type, and you could also modify these grading scales or delete them. To create a grading scale, click Add Grading Scale. The student tasks allow students to self-assign themselves activities. From the student perspective, if they are in a class that tasks are turned on, they will see this plus sign here where they can create themselves tasks in their to-do list. Course links allow you to provide students with links to important course resources that they might use often. Students can access these links from the Course Links button in the Home course. So if I add a course link, I can link it to an activity or a website. In this example, we'll just use a course activity. I can choose it by filtering in the title, or I can choose it from Browse. From a student's perspective, in their course dashboard, there is a Course Links tab here. Under Enrollment Completion, it indicates in which of the following ways course completion is triggered. This is particularly important for continuous enrollment courses. Manual is the teacher designates it complete. This option asks you to check or uncheck the Require Course Passing Score and Require Retries to be completed. The automatic when all grade activities are complete also requires you to choose Require Course Passing Score or Require Retries to be completed. Badges allow you to create course-specific badges. You would upload an image and then give the information. Blackout dates let you add name and specify date ranges that you don't want included when Buzz calculates suggested due dates for continuous courses. These dates appear on your calendar. Publisher options are meant to help manage master and derivative courses and your full curriculum. You'll want to indicate whether you want to prevent content edits in the derivative courses, show indicator for edited content in derivative courses, or include courses in subscriber search index. You can also add a completion badge that automatically is awarded to students when they successfully complete the course. When you're done, click Save.